How many times have you had clients come to you and say, my loved one was just diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. What do I do now? I'm willing to bet you've heard that more than a few times. What do I do now? Embedded in this question is an opportunity for you to provide an answer that no one else is providing. And that's what elder law attorney Rajiv Nagaich will be talking about in a special session for legal, financial, and accounting professionals in your area. Now, you've probably heard of Rajiv Nagaich. He has two popular specials running on PBS right now. One is called Master Your Future, and his newest one is called The Path to Happily Ever After. He's also an author whose new book, Your Retirement Dream or Disaster, is an international bestseller. So this session with Rajiv Nagaich is something you won't want to miss. Here's why. Not only has Rajiv walked in your shoes, he's walked in the shoes of your clients. After his father-in-law, Bill Wallace, was diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease, Rajiv witnessed his wife's family deal with the decimation of Bill's wealth by nursing home costs. Bill was locked up in a memory care setting. He didn't want to be there. His family didn't want him there. Rajiv watched his wife's family wait in desperation for answers that just never came. Now, this traumatic experience spurred Rajiv to go back to law school later in life. In the process, he discovered that what happened to his father-in-law happens to about 70% of all older adults in this country. 70% of retirees are unable to live out their lives in their own home. Most become a burden on loved ones when they fall ill, and nearly everyone loses assets to unplanned long-term care costs, and some get wiped out financially, like Bill's family did. It's not an exaggeration to say that Rajiv was aghast with this knowledge of how retirees in the richest country in the world fare in retirement. So he set out to develop a system that helps retirees avoid these outcomes. And he did this guided by his knowledge of how millions of people in his native India are able to live out their years without nursing homes. So Rajiv's planning approach gives people a way to age in the home of their choosing, even if they get sick, without recruiting family members to serve as their unpaid caregivers, and without running out of money or losing assets due to unplanned long-term care costs. Nobody else in this country is offering a retirement planning solution that is this comprehensive. Rajiv is now teaching retirement planning professionals like you how to use his system to help your clients avoid being forced into long-term care facilities, avoid being a burden to loved ones, and avoid going broke paying for care. I think it's worth an hour or two of your time to see how this system can benefit you. If you're an elder law attorney, a certified financial planner, a certified public accountant, or another kind of accounting or financial professional, you won't want to miss this event. Don't pass up this opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a system that gives you a way to enhance your service offering, stand out from the competition, and in the process, increase your revenues. Now, when you attend, you'll have the opportunity to apply for 1 hour of continuing education credit, and lunch is on us. So watch your email for more information about this special event with elder law attorney Rajiv Nagaich. We hope to see you there.